Greetings everybody, how are you doing today? It's a pleasure to have you here again. If you are tuning in for the first time, please do hit the subscribe button and of course give this video a thumbs up. Now people normally ask me what's the difference between a good trade and a bad trade? What's the difference between a good trade and a bad trade? Simple. A good trade is one where you follow your rules. You have a trading plan and then you follow it to the T. What does that mean? That means that based on your trading plan, you take a trade. If it's a winner, great. And if it's a loss, great. Meaning that that is a good trade. A good trade is not necessarily one that has to do with a winner alone. Right? Now, what is a bad trade? A bad trade is one that you do not follow your rules. You do not follow your trading plan. And then if it's a loss, of course, that's not good. And then if it's a winner, it's even worse. Why is it worse? It's worse because it's going to instill bad habits in that trader. So a good trade is one that you majorly follow your trading plan. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. A quick one for you to know the difference between a good trade and a bad trade. Now that you know what you need to do. Okay, thank you everybody and goodbye for now.